years often long since lost your number, but I still have that old picture that I drew of you.
Hey guys, good morning. Today we're getting ready for the first day of college and I'm gonna be taking you with me. Look at me being all prepared, having my outfit planned last night. Also, kind of upset. It looks cold outside. I wasn't ready for that.
So different, cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do, figuring out what to say, cause it's so new. But you've been so patient and I appreciate it. Wish I didn't get like this, and I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all.
Hello. I think I realized my college videos are gonna have a lot less talking just because around people all the time. Still a little shy. Oh my gosh, how could I forget to put on all my rings? This is a full-on activity. You guys notice the time? I woke up at 7:45 today. Impressive, right? But I'm trying to start on a good note, and my class doesn't start till 9, but just with like walking and stuff, I don't want to get like, I don't know, confused or something. So I figured I might as well start a little bit early. Today, this is not it's gonna be hard to write. This is literally, it's like a puzzle. But today I have French, religion, and humanities. So 3 classes, and I was thinking about this. It doesn't sound like a lot, and it's honestly not that bad, but that is like, I think it's about 4 hours of school, and the most I've sat for class before is like an hour. Or not before, but since high school. So, it's all been online, you know? So, but hopefully I can show you some of the campus and take you along with my first day, and hopefully it goes well. I hope you're proud of me. I woke up with a lot of time to spare, so that means I'm gonna give you a little fridge tour. Stay tuned for the room tour though. I'm probably also gonna go grab some coffee from Starbucks here. I was gonna make my own because I bought this. We went grocery shopping and of course I spent too much, but I got like this mini thing. Was freaking like $5, but I got a mini blue bottle cold brew that I want to try. I also bought all this coffee, so actually maybe I shouldn't buy coffee, but I want to try. But we got some fruits, we got grapes, and then peaches. I'm actually gonna grab a peach as a snack in between my classes. Yummy, yummy. I got a couple yogurts that I'll probably eat for breakfast in the future. Blackberries, veggies, and then I have a leftover sandwich I actually think I will be eating for breakfast today, because that's right guys, I'm actually gonna eat breakfast. Voila. These are my leftovers from this cafe we went to yesterday. It was called Urban Cafe, and it was like an earth cafe, but I thought it tasted better. And I got this like brie cranberry sandwich, and it was so good actually. The lighting in my room's not great. Sorry about that. But a lot of extra time. Not gonna lie, feeling pretty nervy for the first day of school. It's been so long since I've seen that many people. My brain's not really functioning right now, but I guess we'll test that in class today.
The mama's gone and the papa's off in Decatur. Well, now you got eyes, and now you should see that I'm lonely. Anyway, I got eyes, and
Hey guys, just got back from my first day of class. Woo. I'm gonna chat with you guys while I quickly unpack stuff because frazzled out of my mind. I have a couple things to do. I'm gonna go like edit somewhere probably. I really want to go to the library because you know me, love libraries. Spelt coffee on my jacket today, which kind of sucked. But it blends in because this jacket's brown, so I'm actually not going to do anything about it. I need to charge my computer, actually. I should do that right now. I had 3 classes today. Went pretty smoothly. Didn't get coffee till after the second class though, so I was kind of like dead for part of it. But it wasn't bad at all. I need to go do a couple things, but overall, moral of the story, school is tiring and scary, but I am glad to be back in person because I sucked at doing online things, which is funny because my life is like online, but different, okay? Watch how I put my clothes away. Oh shoot. The coffee stain really gives it some personality. What do I need? I need ice for my coffee is what I need. Maybe I'll go journal somewhere. But that's my update. I'm gonna go get ice for my poor Starbucks that I still haven't drank because I had no ice in it, and drinking coffee without ice, not fun. I've never been a Starbucks girl, but I think being here is gonna have to make me a Starbucks girl because that's all they have.
I'm a little too much, don't really know why. I can be a liar, but you don't seem to mind.
Well, you got heart, you got soul, you got everything I know wrapped around your finger. Like you got eyes, you got lips, you got hips, you got it, yeah, put me to the ringer.
Ew. Just finished up some editing at the library. The library is beautiful, and I haven't even been to a normal library in so long, so that was awesome. And I'm having a little snack. Of course, brought soy nut butter. I'm having it with some blackberries and veggies. Beautiful. It's a little bit later. That was it for my first day of school. I'm sorry I did not talk that much because I'm still adjusting, but make sure to stay tuned because we will be doing a lot of school content here. So thank you so much for coming along with me for my first day because I was a little bit nervous, but you guys made it so much better. And other than that, make sure to let me know what school videos you want to see and to subscribe to see more of it, and check me out on my other socials if you want to see more of what's going on in my life in Malibu. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.